Flo is #1 health and fitness application in the world. We support women around the world with tailored insights. We have global presence and more than 80 million of monthly active users. Flo mission is to empower women around the globe with personalized health insights. Previously, before Databricks, we had very fragmented data stack. It was very hard for us to find insights in these siloed data sources. Once we onboarded Databricks, we connected everything into one unified platform when all data is available and everyone can use this data for their own purposes. We started to do a lot of A/B tests very early at our journey of building Flo as a product. And we are constantly doing some A/B tests, and for us it was very hard to analyze those experiments and to find what is better, A or B. Just to put this into context, right now we are doing more than 400 experiments per quarter, which is quite a big pace. Before Databricks, it was very hard for us to analyze this data and to make the right decisions, what is right for our users. We had a lot of challenges around this. It was also very hard for us to ensure privacy and security of our data. Now with Databricks, it's much easier for them to do these decisions, and they have a lot of tools to make those decisions much faster. The Databricks Data Intelligence Platform has helped us to improve the way we harness the data to drive innovation and enhance women's health on global scale. We have very different audience. We have young women, we have older people, we have people who wants to become pregnant and who wants to avoid pregnancy. We have partners of our users, and sometimes they're on a journey to achieve like a shared goals within couple. All these users, they're very unique and they have different goals and different preferences. So for us, it's very important to make sure that our system is very personalized. That is why we are doing a lot of small A/B tests to understand what is better for a particular audience. We use Databricks functionality to make decisions for this A/B test. We are using SQL Warehouse, we are using Unity Catalog to understand what kind of data points we have, what kind of metrics we have in place. We are using Spark jobs to crunch the data and to find insights in this massive volume of data. It was very important for us to have this data intelligence layer on top of our data so we can make decisions for our users and optimize user experience. With AI Bricks, we are shaping a smarter future at Flo where AI becomes a tool to empower women everywhere. With Unity Catalog and Delta Lake, we built a secure and governed architecture that empowers innovation with protecting user privacy. Thanks to Databricks, we are not just analyzing data, we are building a better future for female health.